Namecheap versus Porkbun, which is best for you? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, we'll be diving into comparison between the two popular domain registrars, which is Namecheap and Porkbun. And if you're looking to secure your online presence, manage domains, and explore hosting options, you can register using the links in the description below, in which by using those links, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So before that, if you don't know Namecheap, it is highly regarded for its domain registration services, offering a variety of domain extensions at competitive prices. In addition to domain registration, Namecheap also provides hosting options such as shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. And they also offer email hosting services, which is both round-the-clock customer support through chat and ticket system. On the other hand, Porkbun focuses on affordability and simplicity when it comes to domain registration, in which it offers pricing and a user-friendly experience. Porkbun's domain registration services encompass a range of extensions. Furthermore, they provide domain-based web hosting, SSL certificates, and email hosting, notably distinguishing itself in terms of privacy protection for their customers' domains is the inclusion of free WHOIS privacy protection with each domain registration. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Namecheap and Porkbun. So let's start by knowing the features of both platforms, starting to Namecheap, in which it offers domain registration. Namecheap lives to its name by offering economical domain registration services. It also offers customer support, provides 24-hour live chat support, making it convenient for users to get assistance at any time. It also offers a free subdomains. You can set up 198 subdomains for free with Namecheap, along with wildcard subdomain management. And in terms of email and URL forwarding, Namecheap allows you to create 100 virtual email addresses per domain and catch all forwarding for undefined addresses. And in terms of payment options, Namecheap supports credit cards, PayPal, and even lets you add funds to your account separately. Now moving on to the features that offer by Porkbun, in which in terms of services per domains, they offer domain name registration transfers, provide WHOIS privacy protection along with complementary SSL certificates. And in terms of their support or customer support team is always available via email, chat, and phone, in which their domain experts are knowledgeable, can assist you during hours. It also offers a user-friendly interface. Managing your domains is easy with a registration and management interface. And it also provides additional offerings. In addition to domain services, they also provide URL forwarding, email hosting, email forwarding, web hosting, options as SSL certificates. Now in terms of pricing and billing, they offer domain pricing with DNS service. So you can enjoy the benefits of free domain privacy along with pricing for all the services. Now moving on to user interface comparison of Namecheap and Porkbun. In terms of domain search, Namecheap offers intuitive domain search with suggestions and filtering options. On the other hand, Porkbun offers simple domain search with straightforward results display. And now in terms of domain management feature, Namecheap offers clean and organized domain management dashboard. On the other hand, Porkbun offers easy-to-navigate domain management interface. And in terms of hosting setup feature, Namecheap offers user-friendly hosting setup process with clear instructions, while Porkbun, on the other hand, is a straightforward hosting setup with minimal steps. And aside from that, they also offer SSL certificate feature, in which Namecheap offers easy SSL certificate purchase and management interface, while Porkbun, on the other hand, offers clear SSL certificate options with simple purchase process. Now in terms of email hosting feature, Namecheap offers intuitive email hosting setup with customization options. On the other hand, Porkbun offers easy email hosting setup with straightforward configuration. And in terms of account settings feature, Namecheap offers well-organized account settings and preferences, while Porkbun offers clean and intuitive account settings with clear navigation. And that is the user interface comparison of both platforms. Moving on to this pricing comparison of Namecheap and Porkbun. In terms of domain registration feature, Namecheap offers economical pricing as implied by the name. On the other hand, Porkbun offers all top-level domains, which is 319 out of 1,562, which offered at wholesale cost plus a small processing fee. Now in terms of their hosting plans, Namecheap offer shared hosting plans, Stellar Popular, and Stellar Business prices range from $2.88 to $8.88 per month. Now Porkbun on the other hand plans include Pro Monthly, Pro Annual, Starter Monthly, and Starter Annual. And the prices range from $12 to $180 with storage capacities of 10 gig to 20 gigabyte. But the question is, who should choose Namecheap? Well, Namecheap could be a choice for those looking for prices and a wide range of domain extensions. They offer customer support options including chat and a knowledge base. Moreover, Namecheap frequently provides deals and discounts, making it an appealing option for customers on a budget. But what about Porkbun? Who should choose Porkbun? Well, Porkbun might be more appealing to users who prioritize simplicity and intuitive user interface since they have pricing structures without any fees. Porkbun also places emphasis on a customer privacy by offering who-is privacy protection for domains. And this feature can be particularly attractive to individuals concerned about security, safeguarding their data. Now moving on to user reviews comparison of both platforms, Namecheap is often praised for its reliability, extensive domain management tools, and excellent customer support, since many users appreciate Namecheap's straightforward pricing and frequent promotional offers. On the other hand, Porkbun has gained a reputation for its simplicity, transparency, and low-cost domain registration fees, in which users frequently commend Porkbun for its intuitive interface, hassle-free domain transfers, and responsive customer service. Overall, both Namecheap and Porkbun receive positive feedback. Now moving on to customer support comparison, Namecheap offers customer assistance through channels including chat, email, and a knowledge base, in which users appreciate their live chat feature for its helpful responses, allowing them to resolve issues or get answers to their questions in time. Moreover, Namecheap's extensive knowledge base provides guides and tutorials for self-help. On the other hand, Porkbun also provides customer support primarily through email and an online contact form. Although they don't have a chat option like Namecheap, Porkbun is known for their attentive responses to users' inquiries. Their support team is highly regarded for their expertise and dedication in resolving issues. Now in conclusion, or in summary, both Namecheap and Porkbun offer domain registration services that come with their unique advantages, since Namecheap stands out for its range of features and strong security options, making it a great choice for users who value versatility and advanced functionality. On the other hand, Porkbun excels in simplicity, transparent pricing, and responsive customer support, making it an excellent option for those who prioritize affordability and ease of use. But ultimately, the decision between the two will depend on needs and preferences, since users can carefully evaluate each registrar's offerings and user reviews to make choice based on what matters to them, whether that's affordability, a wide selection of features, or ethical business practices. So that is just a comparison review between Namecheap and Porkbun. Thank you.